Sayedabad Railway Station is a railway station in Sirajganj district. It was originally known as Bangabandhu Setu West Railway Station. It's located on the west bank of the Jamuna River. The station is located in Sayedabad Union of Sirajganj Sadur, Hubla. Several intercity trains stop here and there is also a ticket counter. Importance of this station: communication system. Sayedabad Railway Station establishes rail connectivity with other regions of North Bengal. It is a major means of transporting goods and passengers. Economic impact. This station has a positive impact on the business, trade and economic activities of the area. The station is helpful in boosting the local economy and creating employment, tourism. Sayedabad Railway Station also plays an important role in the development of tourism in the Yamuna Bridge and its surrounding areas. Future plans. Currently, there is a demand for all intercity trains to stop at Sayedabad Railway Station, which can contribute more to the economic development of the region. Plans are underway to develop an industrial estate and ICT port around the railway station, which will open new horizons for the economic development of the region. The railway bridge built over the Yamuna River, to which the Sayedabad Railway Station is connected, is an important addition to the economy of Bangladesh. In short, the Sayedabad Railway Station is an important infrastructure that plays a vital role in the economic development of North Bengal. Further development plans are being taken up around this station in the future, which will further enhance the economic prosperity of the region. The importance of Sayedabad Railway Station and the Sirajganj Economic Zone is immense. Sayedabad Railway Station acts as the gateway to North Bengal, which connects Sirajganj district to other regions. The Sirajganj Economic Zone, as the largest private economic zone in the country, plays a vital role in employment generation and economic development. Importance of Sayedabad Railway Station. It is an important railway station in Sirajganj district, which connects North and South Bengal. Numerous passenger and freight trains pass through Sayedabad Railway Station every day, which is important for business and trade and the movement of the common people. This station is known as the gateway to North Bengal, which helps in the economic development of the region. Importance of Sirajganj Economic Zone. Sirajganj Economic Zone is the largest private economic zone in the country. It is spread over an area of more than 1,000 acres, and various domestic and foreign industrial enterprises will operate here. This economic zone will act as a hub for industrialization and create employment. It will play an important role in the economic development of North Bengal. Being located on the banks of the Jamuna River, it is a strategic location which is convenient for local and international trade. In addition, Sirajganj's economic zone has also become an attractive place for tourists as it is connected to the Jamuna Bridge and the Sirajganj City Defense Dam.